Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today we have this new toy that my son got. This one is the Ender 3D printer. He bought this machine used. I'm not gonna touch that just in case I mess that up. And it came with two of this PLA Plus 3D printing filament. It says consistent colors, consistent extrusion, designed for extrusion based 3D printer. So he got the yellow spool and then a white one, and also come with the machine and everything for $100, which is a pretty good deal, I guess. So he tried to print the Aston Martin. I think this was the original scale, but somehow he enlarged it. So instead of this to print it out for like a couple hours, now it's gonna take 13 hours to print that one. And look at the size. By the way, this is the hot plate, so it might get a little warm. And he also printed out this. It's supposed to be like a bearing, like a ball bearing, but you're supposed to break it off, but you might have to do some adjustment because somehow that doesn't look like ball at all. Here are some of the other vehicles that he printed. He's printed out this shell. This is hollow. And this one is solid. But here you need to insert a metal bar to connect the wheel together. And he also had to print this wheel separately. Pretty unique. So he printed out two of them. I think it's a different car. And he printed out this one. I glued them together. See, it's supposed to be half-half. Supposed to be like a pocket knife. I thought it was a dagger, but it's not. And this is another vehicle that he printed out without the wheels. Oh, this is the CRX. And he tried to print out this ring. Unfortunately, it was too small. This is the smaller version. So in order to bring it up to scale, then he needs to modify it. And this is another one that printed out. This one looks much better. So it could maybe be a display. So yeah, some of these rough edges or whatever, then you need to use this to cut it out. Or if you have a razor or X-Acto knife. So with this one, you could insert a memory card right there. There's a trans flash memory card right there. And if you have a micro USB data cable, you could connect this directly to your computer to transfer your file. So he says about to finish around like 2 o'clock. So I think it's almost finished because it's printing the roof. So yeah, right now it's gonna look kind of weird. But after he cleans out everything, it will look nice. So this is what it looks like on the front. So the spool goes down here and the insert through there. It says caution hot. So I think that's why it smells over here. And then it goes all the way in there. And right here is another motor. It says caution hot. And there's another motor right there. Another one right here. Caution hot again. And then caution hot. And you got the 4 of the knobs on the bottom to do some adjustment for the hot plate to make sure it's even. Oh my god, what happened to the A pillar? It's so weird. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below to see if you guys like this 3D machines or not. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.